Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover exercise 3.3 question number 1. In question number 1 we are given with the pair of equation and we have to solve this equation by first elimination method and then substitution method. Part 1. The equations are x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Using elimination method, let us make the coefficient of x equal. We will multiply the equation 1 by 2. We will get 2x plus 2y equals to 10. The second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Subtract second equation from first equation. We will get 2x minus 2x cancelled, 2x plus 3y, 5y equals to 10 minus 4 is 6, y equals to 6 divided by 5. Now put the value of y in other equation. We have x plus y equals to 5, x plus 6 divided by 5 equals to 5, x equals to 5 minus 6 divided by 5, 5 LCM, 25 minus 6, x equals to 19 divided by 5. Now using substitution method, equations are x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Let us subtract x from first equation. We will get x equals to 5 minus y. Now put the value of x in second equation. X is 5 minus y minus 3y equals to 4. We will get 10 minus 2y minus 3y equals to 4. Y equals to minus 6 divided by minus 5, that is equals to 6 divided by 5. Now put the value of y in other equation. Two x minus 3y equals to 4. We have y equals to 6 divided by 5. 2x minus 18 divided by 5 equals to 4. Five LCM, 20 plus 18. We have 2x equals to 38 divided by 5. X equals to 19 divided by 5. The answer of both the methods must be same. That is x equals to 19 by 5, y equals to 6 divided by 5. X equals to 19 by 5, y equals to 6 by 5. Now part 2. The equations are 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 2. Using elimination method, Let us eliminate y from the equation. We will multiply second equation by 2 to get the coefficients, that is 4, same in both the equation. We have 2 into 2x minus 2y equals to 2. We will get 4x minus 4y equals to 4. The first equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. We already have minus and plus, so we will add the equation to eliminate y. Plus, plus and plus. Y will get cancelled. We will get 4 plus 3 is 7x equals to 10 plus 4 is 14. We will get x equals to 2. We got the value of x. Now put the value of x in other equation. 2x minus 2y equals to 2. We have x equals to 2. We will get y equals to minus 2 divided by minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now using substitution method, subject x from the first equation, we will get 3x equals to 10 minus 4y, x equals to 1 divided by 3 in bracket 10 minus 4y. Put the value of x in the second equation. Take 3 LCM, we will get send 3 on the other side. We will get y equals to minus 14 divided by minus 14 equals to 1. Put y in the other equation, we will get we got the value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 1, which is same for both the cases. X equals to 2 and y equals to 1. Now part 3. The equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 and 9x equals to 2y plus 7. Let us rewrite the equations. 3x minus 5y equals to 4 and 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Now using elimination method, let us make the coefficient of x same. We will multiply the equation 1 by 3. We we will get 9x minus 5 3s are 15y equals to 4 3s are 12. In the second equation, that is 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Now subtract second equation from first equation. You will get 9x cancelled, 15 plus 2, that is minus 13y equals to 12 minus 7 is 5. Y equals to 5 divided by minus 13, or we can write y equals to minus 5 by 13. You got the value of y. Now put the value of y in other equation. You will get value of x is 9 divided by 13. Value of y is minus 5 divided by 13. Now let us solve using the substitution method. The equations are 3x minus 5y equals to 4 and 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Let us subtract x from this first equation. And put the value of x in the second equation. Three 3s are 9. We will get 3. 4 plus 5y minus 2y equals to 7. Value of y is minus 5 divided by 13. Now put the value of y in other equation. We got the value of x equals to 9 divided by 13 and value of y equals to minus 5 divided by 13. That is same for both the cases. 9 by 13 and minus 5 by 13. 9 by 13 and minus 5 by 13. Now let us solve part 4. The equations are x by 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 equals to 3. Let us take the LCM and remove the denominator for both the cases. The LCM is 6 for 2 and 3. So first equation, multiply by 6. 6 into x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. We will get 2 3s are 6. So 3x, 3 2s are 6. So 2 2s are 4 equals to minus 6. This is the simplified first equation. Second equation, the denominator is 3, so we will multiply the equation by 3. We will get this is the simplified second equation. Now using elimination method, the equations are 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6 and 3x minus y equals to 9. We have the coefficient of x same, so we will subtract the second equation from first one. We will get 3x cancelled, 4y plus y is 5y equals to minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15, so y equals to minus 3. We got the value of y. Let us put the value of y in other equation. We will get 3x minus y equals to 9. Value of y is minus 3, so 3x equals to 6, x equals to 2. Now using the substitution method, the simplified equations are 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6, and second equation 3x minus y equals to 9. The coefficient of y in the second equation is 1, so we can subject y equals to 3x minus 9 and put the value of y in the first equation to easily solve the pair of equation using substitution method. Let us subject y from the second equation. We will get y equals to 3x minus 9. Put the value of y in the first equation, that is 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. We have y equals to 3x minus 9 equals to minus 6. We have x equals to 2. Let us put the value of x in the other equation. We will get 3x minus y equals to 9. X equals to 2. 3 into 2 minus y equals to 9. We have y equals to 6 minus 9, that is equals to minus 3. We got the value of x and y, that is 2 and minus 3, which is same in both the cases. In next lecture, we will cover exercise 3.2, question number 2. Thank you.